want to show you how to play Old Money by Lana Del Rey. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that haunting melody. We're in the key of B flat minor, B flat, D flat, F, your basic chord. And it starts on a B flat. A lot of flats in this key because you've got basically 5 flats in there. B flat, D flat, C, F, F, A flat, F, B flat, B flat, D flat, E flat, F, A flat, G flat, F, and then she repeats it. So she repeats that over and over during the verse, and then we get to the chorus. Now the chorus melody is F, D flat, octave, C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, A flat, B flat, A flat, D flat, up an octave, D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G flat, A flat, D flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, D flat, D flat, got E flat, F, E flat, D flat, B flat, G flat, F, D flat, C and E flat there to imply that harmony that they have. So we got a C and E flat right there. Now one way of looking at it is you got 5 flats, so you got all the black notes covered, and you'll have an F in there that'll be a white note in there, and occasionally and a C. So you have a few white notes, but most of the notes are going to be black notes in the piece. Now let's get our chords. You're going to have B flat and D flat because we've got the F already in the melody there. So all I'm going to play is 2 notes, B flat and D flat. And then we're going to go to a G flat and a D flat. Because we have the G flat chord, G flat major chord is all black notes. It's kind of a cool chord because you can hit any black note on the keyboard and it'll fit into the chord. So if you've got a G flat right there, you can hit any black note and it'll fit in there. But all I'm going to play is a G flat and a D flat because we have the B flat in the melody. Here's your G flat chord, 1 through 5 on G flat, all black. So to put those first two phrases together, we just bring that chord in on the F, and then we move to a G flat, D flat. Now the next thing we're going to move is down to a D flat chord, D flat, A flat, and then to an F, and back to the B flat, D flat. So we put that together, it'll sound like this. And we move to the F, and come right back to the B flat and D flat. The melody changes a little bit, but the chords stay the same. The melody only changes because of the words. Now, you don't want to contrast. You don't want to change that chord at all. So maybe if you don't like that, you can lift off of the A flat and the C right there. And then we're into the chorus. Now the chorus, you're going to have a D flat and the A flat. It's going to change the sequence. D flat, A flat, B flat minor, B flat, D flat, F and C, A flat and C. So we're going to go. So we got the D flat, but we'll be down here. So when we put it together, we'll have F, D flat, D flat. Then we go to the B flat minor. Now once you get to that B flat, once you get to that A flat, then you've got a seventh chord in there. See? So we go. Now the F minor chord. So you've got your F and your C, and then we add the A flat, and then when we go to this A flat chord, we're going to hit this upper neighbor B flat just as a non-harmonic note coming in, and then we do it again. Now we have the full A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat. And then we go to a single bass note, B flat, G flat, D flat, A flat. Now we changed it again, E flat, B flat, A flat. So we B flat with the F, and then A flat with the C and E flat. Now then you don't have to, but what I do is I change the melody and I go up an octave for the second verse. Of course, she doesn't really do that, but it makes a little more variety on the keyboard. And keep up the octave for the chorus. And if you want to, you can play that second time a little softer. Same thing here. Now right there the chorus changes right there on that last note. D, instead of, she goes to D flat, D flat. And then the bass is going to change too. We're going to go to E flat, B flat, E flat. We're going to arpeggiate the bass. E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, and then B flat, D flat, F, D flat, and then A flat, C, E flat, C, A flat. So we're going to arpeggiate that bass. And if you do that, you may want to slow it down a little bit. You can if you want to. But when we arpeggiate the bass, and what I think of there is I've got that E flat that ends on a B flat, and then that starts the next arpeggio, and then A flat. So it'll sound like this. And then I come back down for the tag. So reprise tag. And it ends. There you have it, Old Money by Lana Del Rey. I hope you enjoy playing it.